G'day, this is Sam Finlay here, and in this video I'm going to give you an overview of the ShopySpy app, show you how to use it to find successful Shopify stores in your niche, and then show you how to use it to also find an extensive product range which you can then source from AliExpress to dropship. Okay, so the best place to start with the app is to move into the store search tab and just go broad to start. So for this example, I'm going to use cosmetics. So type that in. And ShopySpy will pull back the results. So as you can see, we've got 464 stores here, and these are automatically ranked by their traffic. So number one will be the one with the most traffic. So this one has 100,000 plus visits a day. As you go down the list, 40,000, 8,000, 7,000. So as you can see, there's a lot of stores here that have a lot of traffic, and you know that they're successful. So from here, ShopySpy will also pull back the top 5 products from each of these stores. So as you can see here, we have them all listed, and we can jump right in and find these products on AliExpress by clicking this little link here, and it will fill out a search term on AliExpress and pull back the results. So as you can see here, this product is readily available on AliExpress for dropshipping, and that's the number one seller on this store that gets 100k visits a day. So as you can tell, that's a great product straight away that you can use on your store. Now if you move down here, we've got the number 2, 3, 4, 5 sellers, and again we can jump over onto AliExpress and find those products, and you can see it here. This is the exact product down to the image. Okay, so this is a great way to spy on successful stores and then pull their products from AliExpress that you can then use to dropship. So the next step you want to do to further spy on this successful store is to use the store inspector option here. So this little orange link, click that and a pop-up will show, and it'll give you more in-depth information on the Shopify store. So here you've got the direct link to the store itself. You can have a look at the setup, how they set up their homepage and their footers, how they set up their product pages, etc. So you can look at the structure of the website itself. And if you go over into social, you have links to the Facebook page and to the Twitter feed. You can see how they're marketing on their pages, how they're self-marketing, how they're using posts on their pages to drive traffic to their Shopify store there. And if you look at product insight, you can look at the history of products being added to the stores and their top sellers and the most recently added products. You can look at the installed apps section to see all of the apps that they're using on their Shopify store to streamline their fulfillment services or optimize their conversions on their website. So you can then find these apps yourself and install them on your Shopify store to further model how they're successful. And here you can jump into the traffic analysis, and ShopySpy will pull back information from SimilarWeb, and you can look at all the in-depth information on their store, their ranking, their traffic overviews, where they're getting the traffic from. You can come down here and see the top referrals. So what other sites around the web are sending this successful Shopify store their most traffic. And this way you can get an insight of how they're getting people to their website and get an idea of how they're running traffic and making sales. So if you come down here, you can see a further breakdown. We've got a social breakdown, so you can see they've got a successful YouTube channel. They're getting a lot of traffic from YouTube. It's something you look into further, you can click on the links and have a look at their YouTube channel as well, how they're doing the videos. And if you keep going down here, there's just a wealth of information that you can tap into so that you can model it for your own store. And once you've had a close look at that information, you can come back here and click this star icon to add the store to your bookmark stores for later research if you think that that store is a good one to model for your business. So once you've had a closer look at some of these top selling stores and had a look at the store inspector, you can dive deeper into this data here by using these menus here. So if you click these links here, it'll flip the results and filter them. So you can filter by daily visitors, you can filter by the best seller price, so that's the price of the best selling item, so you can get an idea of your pricing, which is a very important aspect of your store. You can filter by pixel, so you can find stores that do have a Facebook pixel or not. That's a good determiner if they are using Facebook marketing. And Facebook page, how many likes they have, their Twitter profile, and their followers. So you can flip these and you can start to get different results. Okay, so that pretty much explains the store search tab. You can come in here and also add filters to your keyword and update your search. But I do recommend that you only add one filter at a time and one keyword and update so you get enough results to really dig into. Remember, we are pulling just from Shopify to model Shopify stores. We're not pulling from Google and all e-commerce in general. So keep that in mind when you're doing your searches. Okay, so jumping over into the product search tab, we'll keep the cosmetic demo going by searching for that here as well. So we'll go cosmetics and notice that I'm initially searching with no filters on. So here we've got 211 products come back. Now these are all top selling cosmetic products in well-performing stores on Shopify. Okay, you can see them listed here. So this is a great way to find extra products that are selling really well that you can add to your inventory on your Shopify store. And here we have, again, you can jump into the store inspector for the store. You can search for the product directly on AliExpress and source it for dropshipping. And you can jump directly to the page, the Facebook page and the Twitter feed for this store. And once you have found products that you like, you can click the star icon to add them to your bookmark tab for later. As you can see here, we'll click these. And if we jump over into the bookmark tab, you'll see that all my saved stores and saved products are listed here. So when I get around to adding them to my store, I can just come in here, find them on AliExpress and get them set up in my store, ready to sell. Okay, so that's an overview of the ShopySpy app and how to use it to find successful Shopify stores that you can model for your own business, and how to find products that are successful and selling well that you can then source from AliExpress and dropship to your customers. I'm Sam Finlay on behalf of Bobby Walker. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.